What is up, guys? Cars across Texas, and today we are headed on our way to Tomball, Texas for the ViperExchange / BJ Motors ending summer with a bang car meet today. We got the boy Sinclair Photos here in the newly modified FRS. He's made some changes. We got the exhaust, we got the big old wing, and then we got the Z06 with the door open because I'm lazy and don't like to shut my stuff, but we're going that way very quick. All right, there's two cars in front of me, a twin turbo R8, and then two cars in front of the twin turbo R8. There's a twin turbo Performante. Twin turbo R8. All right, guys, we have made it to Bombshells. We have my buddy Alex's whole garage here, the ProCharge Stingray 570 Huracan out, plus a few other goodies, including another twin turbo Huracan that is rolled up. So, without further ado, let's get to looking around. All right, this is a 440 swapped 7.2 liter wide body base model. Your car come up? Yes, sir. So this was once a base model Corvette, but now he has a 7.2 liter V8, a full wide body, and all sorts of goodies. This is nice. Okay, this is fantastic. So he has the Viper right here, of course. We got the towel on the hood with the matching model Viper on the towel. That's wonderful. All right, marketing 101, how to promote your business. 1, oh, my man over there revving. But step 1, you buy a Viper. Step 2, let's put it on the side. You'll get enough attention that way. I like it. Ooh, baby, my people. Late model racecraft pulling up in a few ZR1s. My God, what's up, man? All right. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Hype for it. 1200 horsepower GT3, fastest stick shift Porsche in the half mile. We got a roof, that's a roof, nice, 720, Viper twin turbo R8 from earlier, but whoa, this is a roof. How often do you see a roof? That's cool. Listen to this Viper. My God. Got center lock wheels on it. Whoa, and a chick-driven twin turbo R8. This is mucho sick. Murdered out Ford GT. All right, Giallo Triplo Strato 458, $30,000 paint job right here. That's nice. So, 3 layers to the paint, and you get this beautiful color. And I'm not even a fan of yellow, and this looks good. Look at the chopper. All right, we got the competing kings of the wings, minus the ACR, or minus the ZR1 here. The Z01 1LE here with the big old wing. We got the Viper ACR here with the other big old wing, the even bigger one. Look at this. Look at the wing on this. Insane. Hey, he's beating you on the wing game.
I don't know about that, man.
His is functional. Got him, coach. Hey, shout out Nos. Free energy drinks. Coming in clutch. Right, Jordan? We got the full carbon fiber. Super crazy GT350R from Speed Core. SEMA build here. Whipple supercharge. I mean, that's like the whole 9 yards of just full send. Okay, so this Ford GT right here has a Whipple supercharger on it. Who would have thunked? We got the Stingray here on some OZ racing wheels and slicks. Some sort of centrifugal supercharger and a massive wing. Lord have mercy on my little soul. Oh, excuse me. Alrighty.
Oh my God, it's the
Okay. We got some skinnies up front and some big old fat tires in the back. What? Oh, I don't know why my camera is liking to be dark right now, but wide body scat pack. The twin turbo 08's back.
He's back and we're on a GTR.
When did they leave? It's the fat cat. Okay. Should I get some butterfly doors on the Vet? I can't lie to you, this is a very pretty engine bay. It's very nicely detailed. But I don't think I can approve of the doors that go up, man. Vince! Papa! Guys, this dude likes to party right here. Twin turbo Viper. Maybe he doesn't like the party.
That was a very slow party.
I like it. Cammed 1LE. Es bueno.
That's how I'm trying to be.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Heaven is beautiful, though, man. I might just park over here, bro.
Oh, baby, that's nice. Trey's over here. What the heck? Oh, baby, that's nice. Yeah. I love it. Whipple supercharged Ford GT. that sounded good. Well, look at this Fox body. The 4i Fox. All right, guys, it's the end of the night. I'm getting hot and I have homework to do, so it's time to leave the car meet. And that was a good one though. I fully enjoyed it. Now it's time to send it real quick and get on our way home. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Deuces.